lei die zak, lei die zak. Draai die zak om. Dat hij achter is die zak.
Heel goed achter.
Right though.
Kom maar nou.
What's your name?
Benjamin
Ah, Benjamin.
and Charles.
Benjamin and Charles.
Ja.
Oh. Where you staying?
Hier in Pumalan.
Huh?
Hier is het.
Yeah, it's a dead body.
Ja?
Dead body. It's dead already. I cut him up.
Oh.
He did steal.
Yeah, it's opening.
Huh?
It's opening.
Watch it. Huh?
It's opening.
Don't worry. We're gonna bury him now.
It's what?
Huh?
It's a dog or what?
No, it's a human.
Yeah?
A human.
A human?
Yeah, I cut him. Don't touch. Your fingerprints is gonna be on there.
No.
It's a murder case.
We just what? What this one?
Huh?
This one.
Open.
It's opening.
But don't touch that thing. Because it's a murder case. You see that guy, the owner of the bakkie? He killed that guy. So I'm just gonna bury him.
Okay.
You're gonna help me bury him, ne?
Okay.
You don't tell no one about this thing, ne?
That's right.
You don't go to the police or nothing, eh?
Ah. Shalom. Ini sendiri kira.
Is he living still? But I just want to kill him for
Wait.
Huh? No, I just want to kill him for
Wait a minute.
No, my friend, wait, don't. Dog. It's not a dog.
Not a dog. See.
Huh? See, open. Oh. Is it a dog? He's a man. Close, get in. Get inside. Close the bag, close the bag. Close the bag.
My bro. You can see what is happening. My bro. Hey. I say no, man. Yes. Me. Hey. What's wrong, my bro? You see.